Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you my birds. Aw, it's so cute. Wish I can go outside. But I'm right here. Outside's there. You know, feels like something crawls up to me, but that's just me whistling. Nothing else. Got outside. Oh, and the last barbecue we had was a few months ago. Just interacting with my budgies, my birds. Comment down below what pet do you have, and yeah. Everybody has a pet and doesn't have a pet. So make sure to do some research of what pet you're about to get or what pet you have. So hi, brother. I'm just filming my birds, alright? I don't do videos like this, but I did a video earlier. You should watch it.
Okay, this is where we feed the food right there.
Yeah, you see that bowl, and the water's dirty, and they don't drink water.
Yeah.
They usually eat birdseed, but I wish I could stick my hand in there and feed my budgies, fruits and vegetables.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, our birds chirping a lot, and they also pee in the water.
No. They poop until, every budgie poops for the next 15 minutes. So if it was 4:50, it's going to be until the birds will stop pooping until 5:05 p.m. So yeah, if you have a cockatiel, or a budgie, or any other pet, please comment down what the animal is and what its name.
It doesn't have to be a bird.
It doesn't have to be a bird. I mean, if you own a bird, then it could be a bird. So
Well, what is using a charger as a lock too?
Oh, and P.S. comment down below what your device percent, how much percent your iPad, laptop, or phone is. Mine's 51%. And
You don't have to say that.
yeah, I know. Just look at outside. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, just look at it. Look at outside.
That's where. Do you see that barbecue? That's where we cook.
Well, we had a barbecue a few months ago.
I leave.
Wait, what's this?
I saw a leaf running away from us.
What's this?
What's what?
Oh, it's a bug.
I know.
It's a bug. What are you doing? You don't know how to whistle?
Nope. I'm like 7 years old and I don't know. snap for them.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best to snap.
But you're like 10 years old.
Yeah, I couldn't snap well, but I can snap for a couple good seconds.
By the way, you guys, in a Roblox, we will make a Roblox video. Comment down below like what game you want us to play.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be your favorite game. I mean, it could be, but only in Roblox.
We're a little addicted to do some. So why not we like do different game
A
videos?
little.
Yeah, a little.
You are addicted to Sky Wars the most.
Now I am.
You are. You used to be addicted to Drive Ahead. You know that?
Do you know what's Drive Ahead?
It's basically a two-player game.
It's like 1v1 or it's PvP.
Yeah, it's PvP or missions.
Or FAFA. FAFA means PvP.
Yeah. There's so many modes in Drive Ahead. There's Drive Ahead Sports. There is I don't think many other games of Drive Ahead have been copied. They kind of did, but no, they did not.
Yeah.
You know, before we even bought this house, we used to live in an apartment for years until last year in October. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, and before we stop recording, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe
if you're new to the channel
and be notified
for new videos.
Bye.
Bye guys.